Okay, so here's the strip all done, and now I'm going to pull off the middle tape where the okay, it's all glued up now on the sunroof, and just need to go along with some alcohol and kind of clean it up. But you can see the little spots there just need to be cleaned up with some rubbing alcohol. Other than that, it looks pretty good though. Just saved like $3,500. So something to consider. Either you take it into Tesla, they remove your sunroof and they charge you $3,500, or you just get yourself some 3M, some popsicle sticks, and a little tool and a good light and rubbing alcohol, and you can do this yourself. It's up to you. Hope that helps.